well. Today I'm going to talk about the secrets of speaking good English. If you want to speak good English, there are several things you must do. You must keep on practicing, you must keep on working hard, you must keep on making mistakes, and you must keep on losing faith. You know you learn to speak only by speaking. So the most important key to speak English well is speaking. Speak as loudly as possible, speak as clearly as possible. The more you speak, the better your English will be. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you make. These are the secrets of speaking good English. Everyone can make it. Everyone can be an English speaking genius. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening. Do you